Kerri, when I sing this in my chest voice, it feels so strained and uncomfortable.
How will I know if he really loves me?
But I hate it when I sing it in my head voice because it sounds so breathy and thin.
How will I know if he really loves me?
I know, Songbird. What you wish is that it could sound more like this.
How will I know if he really loves me?
And you can by learning to master your mixed voice. No more cracking, flipping, straining, just freedom, ease, and power as you learn to sing with one connected voice. And I'm here to take you by the hand and walk you through exactly how in my Master Your Mix online group course. I'll show you exactly what mixed voice is, how to do it, and how to practice and develop it during and after the course so that you can perform with confidence. Here's what you get in the course. A weekly 60-minute live masterclass and Q&A with me. Personalized feedback on your singing via video coaching. Full lifetime access to my How to Sing in Mixed Voice program, beginner, intermediate, and advanced levels. Access to a private Facebook group so that you can connect with your classmates and ask questions. There are only 10 spots available, and the first 3 will get access to $160 worth of free bonus content. Click on the link to find out more and enroll now.